Hey, it's Crossy here from American Thunder magazine, and I'm out on location, I might as well say, with Chris from C&R Engineering at Revesby. How are you, Chris?
Yeah, not too bad.
Been a while. I haven't seen you for a while, have I?
Yeah, no, you haven't been around. I don't know where you've been going to.
I haven't been going anywhere. Chris has done a lot of work on my bike over the years, fitting parts and doing a few things for me. We always looked after him with Live to Ride magazine, putting stuff in there for him and that. So what's been happening? How long have you been here? That's what I need to know.
Oh, we've been here 34 years.
34 years?
34 years, yeah. It's been a long time. Time flies. And, yeah, we've just been helping the Harley scene move along sort of thing.
Yeah, that's changed a bit lately, hasn't it?
Oh, yeah, it has changed, yeah. We're sort of going through a bit of a retro area now with, people sort of coming back with the 70s, 80s style bikes and, getting out of the custom scene now. With the custom scene sort of moved on a bit and we're sort of, going through a bit of a change now, so...
Well, you've got to change with the times. You can't just do what you want to do. You've got to do what the people want to do as well, haven't you?
No, it sort of happens all the way through life. Things change and it's like fashion, what we were wearing back in the 70s is coming back in flavour again. So, and you think, what the hell's going on there, but no, it's all good. It's it keeps people interested in the Harley scene and as I say, we're able to move forward with that.
Yeah, that's perfect. What else do you do here? Do you do servicing and things like that as well?
Yeah, we do anything from your normal day-to-day servicing to bike rebuilds, engine rebuilds, performance work, anything you need to do in the Harley scene. That's what we do.
Excellent. And have you had anything? What's the strangest bike you've had come in your job to do?
We had one come in not long ago, actually. It was a 1973 shovel head that had been put in a shed for 23 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and the bike had been in there that long that the shed actually collapsed on it.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, so it was a bit of a mess, a bit of a shock to see it when it come in the door, but yeah, we took it on and we'll just sort of, get it all together and make it new again.
So you're going to do a resto on that, aren't you?
Yeah, we are, yeah.
And you got part of the bike here?
Yeah, I have, over there. I've got the chassis all painted up and everything.
Well, we might have a look at that in a sec.
Yeah.
That'd be perfect.
Sure, yeah.
All right, we're located, what's the address here?
Unit 1, number 9, Green Street, Revesby.
And what's the phone number?
9773 8543.
Thank you, Chris. We'll
no worries.
Go and do a little bit more around the place and show you.
Yeah, thanks. No worries.
We're in Chris's special room. It's his engine building room. It's a clean room and that. And as you can see, you've got a few engines here. What are the engines you're building?
Well, this one over here is a 58 Panhead, which is a full bike rebuild that I'm doing. So we just about got that finished and ready to go into the bike. And then over here we've got a 68 Jenny shovel motor that I've just about finished. That we're going to be throwing in another bike and getting that one going.
That looks really good.
And just another customer's 70 model motor that we're just doing a tidy up on.
Fantastic. We're back over here with the 73 shovel that Chris has been working on. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, well, this is the one that come in, had been sitting in the shed for 23 years, that the shed collapsed on. And as you can imagine, it was a bit of a mess. It was just totally rusted and dilapidated. And we sort of pulled it apart. And in the meantime, we've gotten everything sort of powder coated and cab plated and the transmission sort of semi-together and started piecing the bike together. So that's what it'll sort of look like in different stages. So next deal we'll throw the motor in and throw in a couple other bits and pieces, wire it, and then she'll get all the panels put on and be done.
It looks great so far, doesn't it?
Yeah. No, it's come together well. So that's just some of the stuff that we do. And we've done quite a few of these over the years as well. So it's just part of the deal.
Well, we might come back and see you.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, anytime. Right? Yeah. Well, next stages, as I say, the motor will be in, and there'll be something more to look at, and it'll look quite good when it's finished.
Well, what I'll do is I'll take some photos of it, put it up on our page and everything like that, and then we'll do a follow-up.
Not a problem, yeah.
All right?
Yeah, very good.
Excellent. Next we're going to talk to Yas over at the counter. So she's really excited about talking to us too. Hi, I'm now with Yas, which is Chris's wife, and she looks after the counter and a lot of other stuff. What do you actually look after here?
I make the bookings for the bikes. I answer the phone, obviously.
Yeah, always.
I do the accounts. I try and sell parts and make you spend money. I look after my husband because he works very hard, and
does.
that's about it. I'll keep the shop clean, and that's about it.
And you have a lot of bits and pieces in the background here, don't you?
Yes, my husband likes to keep the shop well stocked so that when people come in, that we have what they're looking for. Genuine parts we usually have to order. That could take a little while because of the warehouse. But yeah, no, we do pretty good, just the two of us.
That's excellent, isn't it? Mm. It's good to be working together close like that. We'll have a look around in a minute with the camera and we'll show you all the bits and pieces they got here. They got heaps of stuff, so if you need any bits and pieces for your bike, any extras, come out here and they can give you a hand with your customising and give you some advice too, because with all that experience, you can't beat it. Thank you.
No problems. Thank you.
So Chris, you've been into motorcycles all your life. You've been in business for over 35 years here. Mm-hmm. What ticked you off to do motorcycles? What got you into motorbikes?
Well, originally my next door neighbour had a little Bridgestone 100, so when I was a young bloke we used to jump on that and go terrorising the streets and everything like that when we were young blokes.
Bridgestone 100, I have no idea what that is.
It's an old motorcycle. And so that sort of got me interested in motorcycles originally. And then, when I was able to, I went to George Heggie Motorcycles at Narwee and purchased a 1970 Bonneville.
So it started with Triumphs?
It started with Triumphs,
cool.
yeah.
And this is an example of one here, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that was back in 1971. I bought the 70 model. And I rode around on Triumphs for a few years, and then I realised that I was just a bit too quick for them. So I kept on having to repair motors and so forth, so I moved on from there. So now when I got a bit older, I thought I'd like to go back to,
where it all started.
Triumph. Yeah, where it all started. And I picked up this 69 Bonneville off a guy up the other side of Bathurst there. And so I just wanted to do a retro on something so I could, sort of live the old days sort of deal, you know.
It looks brand new. It looks like it's just rolled off the showroom floor. Yeah,
well, I've done a full concourse rebuild on it. So, it's just sort of, I put a lot of time into it. So I'm quite happy with the way it finished up.
That is absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
So, but with your restos, they are Harley restos. You're not doing Triumph restos. This was just a love type of thing from the old days.
No, they say Harley's best. Don't worry about the rest.
Okay, yeah, I like it. I like them too. I've got a couple of them, so I agree with you. All right, thank you for everything.
Not a problem, mate.
No problem.
Nice seeing you again, and hope you come back.
I will. I'll come back and we'll check out that bike you're building.
Not a problem.